Space maximization prevails within the sphere of urban living. More and more tiny spaces are spreading all over the world. Why? Just because it makes sense. Not to be confused with minimalist living, a proper application of creativity and resourcefulness is essential to living in our modern-day homes. Excel Hardware provides such durable, robust, space-optimized hardware catered for you to win at urban living. Our magic pull-out systems are designed specifically to increase space maximization up to a stunning 90%, eliminating supposed dead and underused corners with innovation, research, and development. Specific usage is key in Excel Hardware's kitchen baskets. Each product is designed to categorize and compartmentalize, optimizing the space in your kitchen. A fine balance in functionality and positioning of products that have already been planned out for you orchestrates a seamless cooking or preparation process. Creative designs in our products offer abundant space to accommodate kitchen utensils and other objects that require significant space. Wire baskets cater for necessary airflow within kitchen storage spaces, and all these stow away with top-end self-closing mechanisms. With premium stainless steel equipment, choose between heavy and medium-duty variants to sit perfectly with your desired carpentry finishings.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.